Yo, what's good YouTube? It's Van Gavidi, and today I got a new video for you guys. Today gonna be talking about Bun, which is basically a all-in-one runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript project. It's basically so much faster than Node.js and Dino. All right, so to start installing it on Windows, you need to go into the Microsoft Store and install something called Windows Subsystem for Linux, which I already have over here. This is an Ubuntu 22.04 machine. So this is the one that I have. You could download that one. All right. Features. Turn Windows features on or off. All right. So in this one, just make sure to have Windows Subsystem for Linux uh, checked, and then restart the computer. And then we're just gonna go into Home. So we're gonna change directory into Home. And basically to install it, you're just going to copy this command. I already have this one installed, so I'm not going to install it again. All right, but we could just go into made a new folder called Bun, so we're just going to cd into that, and then we're just going to start a new project. To create a new project, all right, so basically you just need to Bun create vite, and then let's call it app. Let's select React. All right, and then we're just going to cd into app, Bun install, and check out how fast this is installed. Which is blazingly fast compared to an Node.js project. All right, we're almost done here. And now it's installing. All right, we're just gonna run dev. And it is starting right now. All right, so if you want to open this up also on Visual Studio Code or Visual Code, all you really need to do is just go in over here, go into extensions, search extensions, and search Windows Subsystem for Linux. All right, just install the Microsoft one, and then open a remote window, connect to Windows Subsystem Linux. This doesn't work, you could close the remote connection, and then connect to Windows Subsystem using Distro. This is the one. All right. Then you could view terminal. You can also open folder. Then you could just go into home, and then Bun, and then app. Okay, this is gonna be the folder we have the project on. So this is how a Bun project looks like. It's just a normal app.tfx, main.tfx, just like a normal Vite application. However, we have this bum.lock file, which is a package file. All right, and also with package.json. So to start this one, you can just terminal or view terminal, and it's going to open up in the Windows Subsystem for Linux. So Bun run dev. You can also check out more about Bun on the bun.sh guide, and that is pretty much it for how to install a Bun, and how to create an application in Bun. This was Ango. I'll see you guys in this video, and peace.